Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Legal requirements and compliance. Legal requirements and compliance are foundational elements in the management of compensation and benefits within the realm of human resources. Understanding and adhering to these regulations is essential to ensure fair treatment of employees and to mitigate legal risks for organizations. This lesson will delve into the intricacies of legal mandates pertaining to compensation and benefits, explore the key statutes and regulations, and highlight the importance of compliance through relevant statistics and examples. The Fair Labor Standards Act of 1938 is a cornerstone in the regulation of compensation, establishing minimum wage, overtime pay eligibility, record-keeping, and child labor standards. The FLSA mandates that non-exempt employees must receive overtime pay for hours worked over 40 in a work week at a rate not less than time and one-half their regular rates of pay. Compliance with the FLSA is crucial, as violations can result in severe penalties, including back pay and damages. For instance, in 2021 alone, the U.S. Department of Labor recovered over $230 million in back wages for more than 190,000 workers. Another critical statute is the Employee Retirement Income Security Act of 1974, which sets minimum standards for most voluntarily established pension and health plans in private industry to provide protection for individuals in these plans. ERISA requires plans to provide participants with plan information, including important information about plan features and funding. It sets minimum standards for participation, vesting, benefit accrual, and funding. And it establishes detailed funding rules that require plan sponsors to provide adequate funding for your plan. Non-compliance can lead to significant fiduciary penalties and can jeopardize the financial integrity of the retirement plans. The Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act of 2010 brought significant changes to health care benefits. The ACA requires employers with 50 or more full-time employees to provide health insurance that meets minimum essential coverage or face penalties. The ACA also prohibits lifetime and annual limits on essential health benefits, mandates coverage for preventive services without cost sharing, and extends dependent coverage to age 26. Non-compliance with the ACA can result in substantial fines and penalties. For example, in 2019, the IRS assessed over $4.3 billion in employer mandate penalties under the ACA. The Family and Medical Leave Act of 1993 provides eligible employees with up to 12 weeks of unpaid, job-protected leave per year for specified family and medical reasons, with continuation of group health insurance coverage under the same terms and conditions as if the employee had not taken leave. Compliance with the FMLA ensures that employees can balance their work and family responsibilities by taking reasonable unpaid leave for certain family and medical reasons. Violations can lead to legal action, including reinstatement, back pay, and compensation for damages. For instance, in fiscal year 2020, the Wage and Hour Division of the U.S. Department of Labor collected over $1.3 million in back wages for FMLA violations. The Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act of 1985 provides workers and their families who lose their health benefits the right to choose to continue group health benefits provided by their group health plan for limited periods under certain circumstances. These circumstances include voluntary or involuntary job loss, reduction in the hours worked, transition between jobs, death, divorce, and other life events. COBRA requires employers to provide notice of the ability to elect continuation coverage and to facilitate the continuation of benefits. Failure to comply with COBRA requirements can result in excise taxes and penalties of up to $110 per day for each qualified beneficiary. The Equal Pay Act of 1963 mandates that men and women be given equal pay for equal work in the same establishment. The jobs need not be identical, but they must be substantially equal. Job content determines whether jobs are substantially equal. The Act covers all forms of pay, including salary, overtime pay, bonuses, stock options, profit sharing, and bonus plans, life insurance, vacation and holiday pay, cleaning or gasoline allowances, hotel accommodations, reimbursement for travel expenses, and benefits. Noncompliance can result in compensatory and punitive damages, as well as back pay. For instance, in 2020, the EEOC recovered $7.8 million for victims of pay discrimination. The Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act of 2008 prohibits discrimination on the basis of genetic information with respect to health insurance and employment. Under GINA, it is illegal to discriminate against employees or applicants because of genetic information. Genetic information includes information about an individual's genetic tests and the genetic tests of an individual's family members, as well as information about the manifestation of a disease or disorder in an individual's family members. Violations of GINA can result in compensatory and punitive damages, as well as back pay and reinstatement. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996 provides rights and protections for participants and beneficiaries in group health plans. HIPAA includes protections for coverage under group health plans that limit exclusions for pre-existing conditions, prohibit discrimination against employees and dependents based on their health status, and allow a special opportunity to enroll in a new plan to individuals in certain circumstances. Employers must ensure compliance with HIPAA's provisions, including safeguarding protected health information. Noncompliance can result in civil and criminal penalties, depending on the nature of the violation. In addition to federal laws, state laws also play a significant role in shaping compensation and benefits practices. For instance, California's paid family leave program provides up to 8 weeks of partial wage replacement benefits to workers who take time off work to care for a seriously ill family member or to bond with a new child. Employers must navigate both federal and state regulations to ensure comprehensive compliance. Compliance with these legal requirements not only mitigates legal risks, but also fosters a fair and equitable workplace. It enhances employee trust and satisfaction, which can lead to increased productivity and reduced turnover. For example, a study by the Society for Human Resource Management found that organizations with strong compliance programs experience 23% less turnover compared to those with weaker programs. In conclusion, the landscape of legal requirements and compliance related to compensation and benefits is complex and multifaceted. Organizations must navigate a myriad of federal and state regulations to ensure that they are in full compliance. Failure to do so can result in significant legal and financial repercussions. By understanding and adhering to these regulations, organizations can create a fair and equitable workplace, foster employee trust and satisfaction, and ultimately achieve greater organizational success. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.